guys, welcome to my channel. This time I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture for Easter. It's rabbit shaped as egg, very colorful, very small and very easy picture. And for this picture I take only 5 felt pens, black, sky blue, red, pink and green. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I start my drawing from the bottom part of the picture. At the center, I should painting over 7 boxes horizontally by black. Here go diagonally to the left and up and color in 2 boxes one by one diagonally. Go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and color in 7 boxes up. Now turn into the right diagonally and color in 2 boxes up. Go diagonally to the right and up and color in 2 boxes vertically here. And now 1 box diagonally to the right. Go diagonally to the right and color in 3 boxes up. Turn into the left and color in 2 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and color in 3 boxes up. Turn into the right diagonally and color in 3 boxes to the right. Now go down and color in 3 boxes down. Go diagonally to the right and down and color in 5 boxes down. Here 1 box diagonally to the right. Go diagonally to the right and up and color in 5 boxes up. Go diagonally to the right, color in 4 boxes up. Here 2 boxes to the right horizontally. Go diagonally to the right and down and color in 3 boxes down. Go diagonally to the left and down and color in 2 boxes vertically here. Go diagonally to the left and down and color in 3 boxes vertically here. Now 1 box diagonally here. Go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes down. Go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes down. Go diagonally and color in 7 boxes down. Turn into the left diagonally and color in 2 boxes vertically here. And go diagonally to the left and down and color in diagonally 2 boxes one by one. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right and color in 2 boxes vertically here. From this box, skip 2 boxes to the right and color in 1 box here. From this box, skip 2 boxes to the right, color in 2 boxes vertically here. And now I will color in this picture. From this box, go diagonally to the left and down, go down to the left and up, and color in 4 boxes here. From this box, go diagonally to the right, go down to the right and up, and color in 4 boxes by red here. Now I take pink felt pen and I'm painting over these 2 boxes and these 4 boxes by pink, and here 4 boxes and 2 boxes here. And from this box, go to the right and painting over all these boxes horizontally. Now take sky blue felt pen and from this box skip 1 box up and painting over these boxes horizontally by sky blue. And now I take green felt pen and painting over these boxes horizontally by green. That's all. I finished drawing my simple pixel art picture for Easter. It's rabbit, shaped like egg. If you enjoyed my picture and video, please give me your likes under the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye!